Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Woo-hoo. Something special today. Something special. It's one of my mum's favourite films, actually. And, yeah, 2 words for you. Alfred Hitchcock. I know what you're thinking. I've been waiting for this film for a long time. And it finally arrived on steelbook limited edition. I love my steelbooks. Leave a comment down below if you like steelbooks or you're a collector of steelbooks. The Birds. The Birds. A masterpiece. Unforgettable masterpiece. One of the most terrifying films in that genre. I mean, growing up watching it, I didn't know what to think. But over the years, I'm thinking, bloody hell, you know what, this film, yeah? He was a clever guy, very clever, and influenced a lot of directors and producers after what he did. Yeah. So, yeah, Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. I'll take it out in the case in a minute, but yeah. I still recommend these, by the way. These plastic covers. Protectors. Yeah, they're so cool. Once you get used to them. But yeah, check out this. Oh, matte finish, not gloss. How nice is that? I've been waiting a long time for this. It was sold out for a long time. And I got myself a copy. I'm so happy. Happy for me. Another one for the collection, obviously. Yeah, there's a spine. But yeah, you get a picture of the man himself. How cool is that? Come on. There's a few steelbooks I really want as well. I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but I'm just saying I'd like to have in the collection. So yeah, Alfred Hitchcock, the master of horror. The story goes, a beautiful blonde, Mylene Daniels, travels to pursue a bachelor. Yeah. Mitch Branagh, or also played by Rod Taylor. So, but yeah, she turns up basically with these 2 lovebirds. And I don't know if it's the lovebirds or is it the birds. Give it a watch, okay? Just give it another watch. It's been a long time. It's all up here. But yeah, she brings 2 lovebirds in a cage basically over to this island to meet a bachelor. And yeah, he takes to her and she takes to him. And all this stuff starts to happen slowly. Things start going wrong. It's either jealousy, I'm not sure. But obviously, the title, The Birds, you know what's going to happen. If you haven't seen it, I'm not going to spoil it for you. Because, you know, I got a lot of love for this film. It's a superb film. So basically, yeah, she stays there. And then there's another story about his mum not liking her because she's there for one reason and all the rest of it. And ends up... I can't give too much away. But you do get the bonus stuff in this, which is so cool. The original ending, the Bird, the Masters, the movie, how it was made, about the birds, trailers. No posters though. Yeah, no posters. I know, I like a poster though. Or art cards. If you follow me, you know I'm like. But yeah. So I'm going to open this up, okay? So you do, obviously you get the blue on the 4K. Don't know if you can see it, I'm not clear. How many times have we done this? Oh, yeah. So I'll take these out. So yeah, you get to see the actual birds and the crows. Can't really do off the glare, but yeah. This film is, it's up there. You know what? I heard that there's Birds 2. Apparently they made Birds 2. I've never seen it. But it's a real film. I say real, but yeah, they made Birds 2. I've never seen it. So, but there's one scene in this film when they're all when the kids are all in school hiding, and the crows start to come right behind her, and she's on the swing, rocking away, and all of a sudden the camera's just different all the time. You think, whoa, there's more. Superb. Honestly, superb. And there's another film. There's another Alfred Hitchcock film I want, but I just wish they'd all come out on steelbook, you know, so I could collect all of them over time. It's good to be back. I hope you're all well, like I said before. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I mean, if you want to see more of this stuff, it's all good. You're welcome. So yeah, The Birds. If you haven't seen it, I recommend it. If you haven't, you know what I'm talking about. And I'll see you on the next.